My name is Paul DeSantis. I work for the Novvia Group, and I am the Group Chief Financial Officer. We are a distributor of industrial packaging, and our company distributes across the entire country. We are the product of 17 acquisitions, and so we have been combined over the last few years. As a company, we have about 44 locations around the country, over 550 employees. We've grown because the relationship that we have with our customers is what's most important. And so we try to understand their business and then make sure we have the right industrial packaging solution for them. Our challenges, as we considered, we're the product of 17 acquisitions. And so we had 17 different ways of doing everything. And it's awfully hard to be efficient if you're doing things 17 different ways. And so we picked Epicor, and then we've been rolling Epicor out across every one of our companies. So we've done about 14 Epicor implementations over the last, let's say, year and a half. One of our companies was running Epicor, and so that made it easy to pick Epicor. Very happy with it and how it was performing for the company, and so we used that as the basis then to roll out with the other companies that we converted. It's been great. We didn't shut anybody down. We never missed an order. We had great partners that helped us implement it, so it wasn't just us on our own. And so as we thought about and then started implementing Epicor, one of the big considerations was, can we get a consistent set of data out of it that we can look at and analyze and use to drive the business on a much more granular and much quicker time frame? When I think about how our business is going to change over the next few years and how Epicor will help us with that, I think one of the things that really interested us and interests me is how do we use Epicor to streamline our processes, make them more efficient, make them more proactive in terms of what's happening with the market and with the business. And so being able to do things with less people, our intention is to continue to buy companies and to grow. And so we can't buy companies and grow if we now have 17, now we have 18, now 19, now 20 ways of doing things. And so we're centralizing around a core set of processes and making sure that centralization works and is efficient and is driving efficiency. And then around that, getting the information out of the system and making sure that it's meaningful insight into what's happening so that we can react like this to changes in the underlying marketplace. From an Epicor and team perspective, we've been really satisfied with the Epicor group. And we've been really satisfied with our implementation partners, SixS. So we designed this approach, and we said we're going to get all these companies converted. And we had SixS and Epicor both lined up and geared up and ready to go. And it was, we'd go live with the company this month, and 2 months later live with another company, and 2 months later live with another company. So we were really knocking these off quickly, and we could never have done it without the support from both teams.